A noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. That's right. The use of music and movement in the classroom is very important. What is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? Do you know? First of all, you know the concepts that you must teach the children. Sometimes the concepts aren't so easy. It takes the place of a noun. Listen to the pronouns as we say their name. I, me, we, he. Songs are really easy to make up. You just get your key concept, and then you just put it to Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Jack and Jill, 100 days, 100 days, only 80 more. Especially as a new teacher, you're kind of gaining your tools, you're learning your trade. If music or movement helps you to reach that goal, then use it. What is a pronoun? Now you know. Just take a simple little song and put a concept to it.